Few pistols have left their mark on the world quite like the Browning High Power. From the battlefields of World War II to the hands of soldiers, police, and even criminals across the globe, the High Power has a story of innovation, reliability, and legacy. Let's take a closer look at this iconic firearm. The High Power was designed in the 1920s by legendary firearms designer John Browning, the same man behind the 1911 pistol. But here's the twist. Browning passed away in 1926 before the High Power was finished. The project was completed by Belgian designer Dieudonné Saive at FN Herstal, and in 1935, the world met the Browning High Power. The name High Power wasn't just marketing hype. It referred to the 13-round magazine capacity, which was revolutionary at the time. While the 1911 carried 7 rounds of .45 ACP, the High Power doubled that with its 9mm parabellum chambering. The High Power combined classic and innovative features: a single-action trigger, a durable steel frame, a 13-round double-stack magazine, setting the standard for future combat pistols. It also had a smooth, curved grip that fit comfortably in the hand, earning praise from soldiers and police worldwide. But it wasn't perfect. The original design had a magazine disconnect safety, preventing the gun from firing without a magazine. Some liked it, some hated it. The High Power was adopted by dozens of countries, over 90 militaries in fact. It was used in World War II by both the Allies and the Axis. The British SAS carried it. So did the Germans, who captured FN's factory and produced the High Power for their own forces. After the war, the High Power became the go-to sidearm for police and military units worldwide, from Canada to China, from Israel to India. It saw action in countless conflicts, from the Falklands War to the Gulf War. FN stopped production of the classic High Power in 2017, but the legend lives on. New versions have been introduced by Browning, Springfield Armory, and others, modern takes on a timeless design. The Browning High Power isn't just a pistol. It's a piece of history, a symbol of craftsmanship, and a design that shaped the handguns of today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the Browning High Power, hit that like button, subscribe for more firearms history, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite classic pistol? See you next time on Armory Archives.